No gym? No problem. Build muscle fast with just your body weight. If you want to build muscle fast but don't have access to a gym, dumbbells, or machines, listen up. You're in the right place. In this video, I'm breaking down 5 insanely effective bodyweight exercises that can completely transform your physique. No equipment needed. These are the exact types of movements top athletes, fighters, and calisthenics pros use to build real, functional strength and stay shredded. You'll walk away with a full body routine that targets your upper body, legs, core, and cardio anywhere, anytime. So clear some space, grab water, and let's train the raw way. No machines, no excuses. Just sweat. 1. Plank the core crusher. Don't be fooled by its simplicity. The plank builds deep core strength and full body stability. Targets: rectus abdominis, obliques, transverse abdominis, shoulders, chest, glutes, and lower back. Benefits: improve posture, reduce back pain, muscular endurance. Do 3 sets of 30 to 60 seconds. 2. Squats, the lower body king. Squats are the king of lower body training and a full body staple. Targets: quads, glutes, hamstrings, core, lower back. Benefits: strength, flexibility, testosterone boost, fat burn. Do 3 sets of 15 to 20 reps. 3. Lunges, unilateral strength. Lunges develop single leg strength and coordination. Targets: quads, glutes, hamstrings, core. Benefits: balance, joint mobility, injury prevention. Do 3 sets of 12 to 15 reps per leg. 4. Glute bridges, posterior chain power. Strong glutes equals strong body. Glute bridges fire up your posterior chain. Targets: glutes, hamstrings, lower back, core. Benefits: better posture, hip power, pain reduction. Do 3 sets of 15 to 20 reps. 5. Burpees full body burn. Love M or hate M. Burpees torch fat and test your grit. Targets: chest, arms, legs, core. Benefits: muscle, cardio, agility. Do 3 sets of 10 to 15 reps. Your challenge: pick 4 to 5 of these, commit to 3 to 5 sessions per week, and get consistent. If you like this video, please give a thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, and turn on notifications. We've got more fitness, wellness, and performance tips coming your way. And drop a comment. Which exercise crushed you the most? Your transformation starts now. Let's get to work.